Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change currency in Turkish Airlines app. So make sure to download this right app, Turkish Airlines, from App Store or just Play Store and open the app. And once you open the app, you will see this interface. So just skip and go to the next page and just continue as guest or log in with your account if you have any account or sign up with your account. And once you're in the app, you will see these two options, book a flight and check in. So let's say I want to book a flight. So just choose this option and from here just choose any location. So let's say I choose this location and to Istanbul. So let's say I choose this location and just choose any date, whatever your date is, like let's say 26, 27, 1, 2, 3, or whatever the date is. Just click on done and it will ask you like how many adults or persons. So let's say I choose one and just click on search flights and let it load, and from here you can see the price like euro or like whatever the price is. So you will see the price on this section. So how you can change it? So you will not be able to change currency inside the app like Turkish Airlines app. You won't be able to change it. So what you can do instead is just like calculate the amount and keep the same amount in your account. Like whatever your account is, you can just pay in your local currency, whatever your currency is. So just make sure to search like this, say euro 875 .98. So just search this amount and convert this into your local currency and keep that balance in your account. And once you have balance in your account, just click on continue and you will be able to pay for this flight. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can book a flight without changing currency in Turkish Airlines app.